How to draw a butterfly. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. So for the first step in making our butterfly today, we're going to begin by making one circle right in the middle of the page. Awesome! Now on the left and right hand side, we're going to make two big curved lines. These will be the beginning of the wings of our butterfly. Now staying on the left hand side, we're going to make one squiggle line coming down, and then we'll connect it to that first circle that we made. Nice job! Now let's do the same thing on the right hand side. Now if you need a moment to catch up, you can go ahead and pause the video right here. Are you ready to keep going? Awesome. Now underneath the circle that we previously made, we're going to make one oval-like shape. This will be the body of our butterfly. Now we have to make a total of 2 more wings. Let's start off on the right hand side, and then we will jump sides to the left and do the exact same thing. Whoa, this is coming along great! Now if you'd like a moment to catch up, you can go ahead and pause the video right here. Now at the very top of our butterfly's head, we're going to make 2 long curved lines. These will be the antennas. Nice job! Now inside of the wings, we're going to begin to make an outline. Are you all done making your outline? Awesome. If you'd like a moment to catch up, you can go ahead and pause the video right here. Now inside of the outline that we previously made, we're going to begin to add some lines for detail. This is how to draw a butterfly step by step. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you liked the video today, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to the Learn How to Draw Hub YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Let's go ahead and color in our drawing together.